Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel your Curiosity subscription. Let's get started. Method 1. Cancel Curiosity subscription on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions and then Subscriptions. Select Curiosity app from the list of subscriptions. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom. Choose a reason for canceling. Then tap Continue. Tap Cancel Subscription for confirmation. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel a Curiosity subscription on iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or other Apple devices. Tap your name or Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select Curiosity app from the list of apps. Tap Cancel Subscription. And you are done. Method 3. Cancel a Curiosity subscription on official website. Visit your account page. Scroll to the bottom of the page to the Plan and Payment section and select Manage Plan on the right-hand side. Select Cancel Plan in the top right corner. Follow the prompts to cancel your plan. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.